How to copy and paste text on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open anything like browser or anything you want to copy from. Hold on to the text and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can select how many text you want to copy and then click on copy at the top. After you've clicked on copy at the top, open any app to paste. I've simply opened Note, hold on to the text, and you'll find paste option at the top. Click on paste, and then you'll be able to paste your text. You can also paste it from the clipboard at the bottom if your clipboard is on. And this is how to copy and paste text on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.